Hayi ngabushilo basi. Noma noma ngisho ngabe at least ngaphathi cheese.
Ila kwenza abantu teenager.
Title soccer chat.
Hey, no. Classroom discussion. Classroom soccer discussions.
Okay.
Hey, kunzima ukuza negama.
Disky ringers.
Disky ringers. I need to have this other channel. You know, they have like a disky, da 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 da.
Yeah.
But what's it is chonchil? This is something original, fresh. Something original and fresh.
Yeah, probably will come up with the name as time goes by.
As time goes by.
Yeah.
Other than that, welcome to the show. Mpethu Fresh Kaina, representing Bozi. Jovicho, lava, name is so nice, you say it twice.
Yeah, man.
Lava says Pumula, boy.
How's that? Fresh scene, fresh sweet.
Fresh sweet.
Fresh with disky panding. Sisonke ngalendaba.
Let's get to it, bafethu. Okay, bekani ke ne. Sithanda ibhola, ngithanda ibhola, fresh uthanda ibhola. Yabona. And manje ke na we talking everything South African soccer.
Yeah.
But before siya anyway, mele siqale sikhulume ukuthi who made you fall in love with South African soccer? Which soccer player made you fall in love with South African soccer?
Hey, that's a good one. Ne?
Fresh.
Good one, Baba. Hey, Mara. Hey, it's a lot.
Yeah.
You know, when you look at the history, there are some players that you were not even born. I mean, obviously, Jomoso, Kaiser Mutau. We didn't even see Gash. It's in our ace in Twilling, but it was good, you know.
Yeah.
So, again, the Kulman Hiraya, I'm a playing was you know, when I watch this player, I was like, yes, this soccer thing.
Should you rap I'm a 90s or my 80s. Because Tina's got my 2K.
My 2K. Yeah. Hey. I'm a player serious, this man.
Yeah.
I'm a player who produced something, who brought something like South Africa.
Facts.
Players that you know would definitely, the outlays or the outlays, they brought, I mean, we talk about the group young in 1996 here, Bafana. Proper players.
Respect.
The last time the country actually won something.
Yeah.
So we're still talking about it. Now, you are my 2K, you are history as you are
Bafana. Champions League,
yeah, but Champions League is something else.
Yeah,
it is unfortunate because Chinas Kule speaking of player serious. I mean, for me, watching, you said it before we started recording, Jerry's Kosana.
Legs of Thunder. I've been checking my nicknames.
Yeah, Legs of Thunder.
Sure.
Should you imagine the Outiliana and that? Hey, what you seeing Aguero?
Oh yeah.
That was him. James Kosana. That was him.
Shoo.
Ask Brian Balo, he knows.
Spider-Man,
he knows. He was nightmare with Jerry's Kosana. That was the guy for me. We had Dumsani Ngobe in the middle of the park.
Yeah.
He was another guy for me. We had the likes of Abu Gavin Lane, Nemuva, Mark Fish, and then we also had like guys in the later stages whom I fell in love with. But okay, the team I do not support, but I love the guy. Thabo Moki.
Tiki,
yo. I le akhot man le ana baba.
Yeah.
I le akhot man le ana.
Sure. He was playing.
Hero Tebzangwana ku Pirates. Tebu Homlo.
Yeah. Besimnandi.
Blind. You are my hot man again. I remember when any game the Chiefs in the Pirates, I think we spectacular.
Yeah.
We spectacular. It's not there anymore. We the top 4. The last time we played, we Telkom Charity Cup. You had to vote for 4 teams to play in that one-day tournament.
Yeah.
Tebzangwana wangena laphana ku Pirates. FNB that time still had old poles. There will be a pole inside the net. It had a pole inside the net. The structure of the triangle.
Yeah.
Shout Tebzangwana igoli la shale pandele ngaphakathi. Enetini labuya ngaphakathi egaming lebhola. Referee linesman saw it.
Yeah.
The Kaizer Chiefs players were like, never. This is not a goal. This is not a goal.
Sure.
And the game was delayed. You see,
Yeah,
we needed
Hi, gang.
VAR. Yeah. The players, the game stopped for a while.
Yeah.
And then it was concluded with, okay, what is not a goal.
Sure.
The game continued. The Pirates that day won 10-9 on penalties.
Oh.
Yeah.
So they eventually won.
They eventually won.
Hey,
But that,
Chiefs.
but that goal was, Tibbs at that day was like, this guy, talent. So for me, like, it was about Tebzangwana. I loved Tebzangwana.
Yeah.
Okay, there was Dr. Kumalo. He was a good Dr. Kumalo.
Is it?
Dr. Kumalo was good.
Dr. Kumalo.
Yeah, Dr. Kumalo.
Khumbula ingoma yakhe no Bob Mabena, Bob Mabena.
Dr. Kumalo was good.
Yeah.
Dr. Kumalo was excellent. But for me, I liked elegant Bagatibza in the field. He had that everything he wanted to do it.
He did it.
Yeah, style aside. He wanted to do it his own way. He wanted to play his own way. He had his own way of playing, and he didn't adapt to anything.
Oh, okay. Should my Katanga like a straight position kati adlala everywhere phambili.
No, he was a midfielder. Like he was the same player like Dr. Kumar.
Okay.
But he had his own unique way of playing.
Yeah.
Like he's like one of those players who the coach didn't have to tell, didn't have to give instructions to. He went into the pitch, he did his thing. And like you would sit and marvel at what you are watching. Like this guy is pure talent. Tebzangwana.
Me personally, I have 3 people. It's like 4 people. Yeah. Growing up as a kid, number 1, Kamalami, Ulerato, yabo. Then at the time, Sundowns was good peak. Maybe good peak manje, but it was also good peak then.
It has always been.
It's been consistent. Yeah. Oh, this guy, Lerato Shabang.
Lerato Shabang.
Tata lapho, people in the Gazi, when we were playing a disc, Baba ne audacity, bati Lerato Shabang among Petit Bola. Isidlali 1-5. Yo, mina ngihlanye kokugcina yo. Yeah, Lerato Shabang.
Yeah.
Then because at the time futhi bokudume this player, maybe of course because he plays good soccer. Futhi manje kade saqala ukuba infamous, so igama lakhe beselifika nami ngiba interested to watch. Was Jabu Puli.
Yeah.
Mwana wa 2. I Jabu Puli. Then I started being interested. Mangembheka, he was playing.
Yeah, he came in and we brought a lot of change in the game.
Yeah.
A lot of attention.
A lot of attention. Ngendlela engasuka phansi. Bese kwaba Teko Modise.
Definitely one of
How
my
about Teko
favorites.
Modise? Yeah. Ay. Okay, all these players vele baphambili bathanda ukudribula. Of course, South African soccer is known as entertaining soccer.
Yeah.
Angithola. Ul DJ ibhola ulenze kanje uthi tsamaya. Sale kanjani ndoda? Tsamaya. Yabona?
Yeah.
Kunabayi-2 abantu abasele ne and both of them are good. One is like ngizomention but akekho kule 4.
Yeah.
Ngoba ngazi lo cause kade are out there. Yabona? Growing up, mawubona le athi lena, mawubona lezi zinto ezenzayo. Le athi le shama sama salt, le athi lena iblonde ikhanda.
Yeah.
Ngithola.
Yeah.
Nale athi lena uJunior Khanye.
Yeah.
Ngithola. Le athi le shama sama salt at the time Spider-Man kade adumile.
Yeah.
Yabona ukhohle nge-2K. So I see this guy who was playing. Oh, kade thola amanye ama-man of the match.
Yeah.
Bulala uJunior Khanye. But then Jesu enye athi sekahle home but uSkarango bese.
Definitely.
Ooh.
We cannot have this discussion and not mention that guy, Black Jesus.
Jesus, see.
Hayi, uliphakamisile iflag lasekuruleni.
Awuphakamisile.
uHotmani siyabonga, hayi uthi representile ekuruleni.
Yeah, asipresentile kahle.
Definitely.
So those are my people, 5 of them, but bakhona abanye net these ones with the words.
Yeah, definitely.
These ones with the words.
Yeah, no, hayi nami labo babalile mfethu. Hayi, noma i2K ngizokuvivela kula. Nami hayi.
Yeah.
Mina bo Helman Mkhelele, Midnight Express.
Yeah.
Awumboni vele. Awumboni. Umgcine beka la. Mandlala ebusuku futhi ngathi uyaphoka.
Yeah.
Shiu Cartel. Takini, enye Hotman eTaki.
Sure.
Shiu Cartel.
Kadadlala yipi position?
Right wing.
And
Right wing.
fast.
It's fast. And he had an eye for a goal. No, Pali beka lazi Midnight Express.
I want to focalistic umazi kanjani ngicula ngaye ngoba intanga yami
Yeah, leza ndoda amachita wetalent mfethu ngeke uhlala ungawazi.
ayish
I-histories okufostela ukuthi wazi.
sure
Yeah, definitely.
manje phela ke fresh yabona kushuthi maye ekasi ne ekasi or in soccer nje in general i-nickname ifethi ifika kanjani thola ukuthi sowuthola iplayer elifana nayo Legs of Thunder olofesali
Yeah.
so ku Legs of Thunder kanjani ifike kanjani la ngithola wena uthola ufresh obviously khona manje for ama camera ngishuthe ufresh maybe asicave bo fresh back in the day or what yabona or you just a fresh guy
Yeah.
lava vele uthatha ibirato udlale ngalo DJ mix faki yeast khukhumale vele kuba vele lovers yathola kona umlando ngizongitshela ngelinye ilanga shout out to people basephumula bangiqambu lovers yathola when how do you say it bethi nickname ifika kanjani ediskini ukuthi ya ayilena baba
Ntwana yazi mina ake ngikutshela. But in nickname, there are some people who have a way of giving other people like unique nicknames. Yeah, I'll tell you what, they will give someone a nickname, Jengabo Midnight Express, like those old generations, they had ways of giving, their own ways of giving people nicknames.
Yeah.
You know? They wouldn't, unlike now, we find someone being named Mhlambe Utiko. Or nicknamed Utiko.
weak.
Dala, they have like people who Mercedes Benz, abo Midnight Express, abo we had so many, abo 16V. So, like I don't know, probably like you have to have something special. Abo merchants, you'd have to have like something, something special. You know what? This guy brings in into that is different to him or to the game. So for us, you listen to Baba Mteto, like Stratulo Scamete. Stratulo Scamete. How did he come up with that? You know, so there, like for me now, I got the nickname got fresh. Not even I played soccer, never had a nickname. Probably an income. So I ended up getting a nickname got fresh. I hung around. If we a quick round in, I was at church.
Okay.
So man figure church, you told me to go fresh. Shine to some creme, Sashama Cavell.
What is it?
Yeah, I'm feeling Shama Cavell, Manaka, Puma, Zonke, listen. Abathayo nanto no kinda fresh.
Oh,
Shawe yazi fresh into za.
yeah.
La hlala kanjani ngigama uta u fresh yabo. And then futhi there was this guy u fresh o DJ. But hey wena futhi vele ngathi vele uyintwana ka fresh. Angisingi intwana ka fresh ukuthi nginda fresh yabo. Yabo akuthi ukuthi lihlala kanjani ngigama lika fresh yabo. But our nickname, they come with sometimes with the things you do, you know.
Yeah, true.
When I Mola Payana, Dotanga Tumshini, La Payana Crowdy. Then I was so machine. Mouse crowning at Tumshi. Then in Mouse crowding, Nushai Savant Mishish. So machine. Tembers one, look at Shaisi out to Shishi Obus.
Yeah. What's your turn?
Yeah, so you know, I want to I got some shishi for my
I know you're full.
yeah, so I'm a nickname. There are a lot of different ways of how people get nicknames, you know, but they stick with you.
They stick with you.
Spider-Man, Prime Baloo, Spider-Man, because of how some of the saves they were unorthodox. Shy said, "Mount like that was a Spider-Man move."
Only Joseph, Slim Cat.
Same thing.
Slim Cat, yeah.
So,
Never to Black Cat. I forgot what to but we him back in the day. Yeah.
So, like, there's a lot of ways of getting nicknames, but the ground in the very out here, and there's Kakulu, there's this man's, uses Tolama nickname, there's this Balana,
sure.
Uses Tolama nickname.
Defender nickname, no, let's what.
Hardly, you find a defender and a nickname Anzima, Abumbazo.
Umbazo, yeah.
Abumbazo, Abona, Nini, unabo 16 ton. Khona yazi ukuthi laphayana ngiyabona lento le so nawe asibuza ukuthi leyana mabayibiza ngazo ndoda hey usho ukuthi vele ishaya ibhathu nawe noma upensela umshishi uya lapha ugadile this guy
ukuthi
zodliwa imbazo
ukatsande sibizane vele
ukatsande notuna nickname abani salt and pepper and my khonenye le angayithandi what's his other nickname khona le angayithandi like ulithulwe
ngisathi ngiyalapha
Pios and akayifuni made a public announcement he doesn't like that so to you Hotman angeke siloko sithi uPions ngoba sinathi sithanda into abantu mabasibiza ngamagama esingawafuni so sizobhekela nickname wena Hotman
enyamncane Hotman ya nethi nje uphuza ukujwayeleka yabona uphuza ukujwayeleka
but the ground uyajwayeleka
I ground one of the best I'm telling you
I hardly liked Amachita Dreadlocks but him
he was an exception
he was an exception you know there was a time bekune awuthi yama Dreadlocks ebeyidlalela AC Milan growing up one of my favorites Edgar Davids
ngiyabona with the specs yeah
one of my favorite beyihlambe shama Dreadlocks And then Clarence Seedorf uke wathi naye uyawayenza but azange ahlala isikhathi eside.
Oh, Clarence Seedorf is a goat.
Blind.
3 Champions Leagues, 3 teams. Seedorf, yeah, shout out.
One of the best.
One of the best.
So-
Kodwa ngoba umnyama kuthulekile bafethu. Sibhekile.
Yeah, Samuel Eto'o, same thing.
Samuel Eto'o, yo.
He won the Champions League with Barcelona, he won the Champions League with Inter Milan. Nothing was said. Yeah? But it's a topic for another day.
Topic for another day mfethu thi siyeke lapho khona manje. This was the first show
Yeah.
of yini nickname of the show.
You'll help us figure it
Will
out.
help us figure
If
it
you
out.
like the show, please help us figure out the nickname. Yabo, eminigama, sibe negama eliproper. Yeah, if niyathanda uloku nisibuka,
Yeah.
sikani sizeni.
Yeah, Sizani.
Yeah, on the comments lapho nibhaleni ideas.
Ningalinge nithi Popeye and spinach. Akuna Popeye and spinach. Right. Boom, see you next time.